Okay, so this one has an order for 15 milliliters, IVPB, antibiotic over 20 minutes. So this is a piggyback bag. This is a small volume little bag, and it's only going to take 20 minutes to give it. The tubing drop factor is 10 drops per milliliter. How many drops per minute will we set for the infusion? So desired answer is drops per minute. First fraction is going to need drops at the top, right? We said that comes from your tubing drop factor. So we can write 10 drops over 1 milliliter. Since I put milliliter at the bottom, we know we need milliliters at the top of our next fraction. I said typically it comes from your order. Our order tells us 50 milliliters is supposed to take 20 minutes. Now we have been including the next fraction, which is a conversion. It takes hours into minutes, but we don't need it here. I mean, look at our units. Our milliliters cancel. We have drops on top and we have minutes on bottom. That's what we're looking for, right? So we don't have to throw in that extra conversion between hours and minutes. All right. We're ready to do our math. 10 times 50 is 500, and we've got 20 on the bottom, so that should work out to give you 25 drops per minute. Keep in mind that anytime you work with these IVPB bags, especially with gravity feeds, that your primary bag gets lowered down, okay, and your little piggyback bag gets to be up towards the top, okay. That just, it helps the gravity flow a little bit easier. Things that are higher up get pulled quicker.